Hey, greetings. This is Monica Smith from Atlanta's House of Henna, and guess what today is? Today is the anniversary of my first thought of thinking of getting a wrap van. So I'm going to tell you, I got the idea because I was at Spelman College. I was doing an event for them. They hired me, the financial aid hired me to do some free henna for an event that they had. I was leaving and I was walking outside and I saw a nice wrap truck with V103 on it. So I'm like, oh, V103 is here. Let me go back inside to see where they were, to see what they were doing. So I'm like, wow, if I was actually leaving and then I saw the truck and that sparked me to stop what I was doing and go back inside to see where they were and to see what they were doing, imagine what I could do with henna in a wrap truck. So here are some of the benefits of having a wrap vehicle. The graphics last around about 5 years. You can also target the locals by parking your vehicle in areas where many people can see it, such as a busy intersection. In addition, you can get up to 30 to 70,000 impressions a day on the vehicle wrap. And that's actually better than when I did an Instagram ad. On the Instagram promotion, I got around about 9,000 impressions within just a week. So that compared to the wrap van it does not compare. The wrap vehicle is much better. So I'm back at Spelman today with the financial aid office. They hired me again. But this time I have my wrap truck. So as I pulled up to the gate, the security guard stopped me right away and said, hey, do you do henna? Can I have your card? Where are you located? So I didn't even get in the gate, literally. I didn't even get in the gate before someone stopped me and asked me for my card. So I pulled up to the, I think it's Manley Hall, and I parked in the same exact spot that the V103 truck was parked in. And it actually is not in a parking spot. It's parked illegally. But I personally believe that the fact that it's a wrap truck, they might leave it alone. And also, I'm going to carry some, what do you call them? The little cones, the little orange cones. I'm going to put an orange cone in the front and an orange cone in the back because it seems like we're official. We're doing something. We're important. So anyway, so I'm parked in the same exact spot. And so while I'm unloading, girls are coming up to me asking for my card. Faculty's coming up to me asking for my card. So I didn't even start yet. I start at 11:30 and it's 11 o'clock. I'm just doing this video because I'm just like amazed at how this is really working. So I think that I might come up here and just park my van up here because people are like taking pictures of my van now. So this has been a really good investment as opposed to doing what I wanted to do before I even thought of this idea. I wanted to get like a billboard. That costs a lot of money. I wanted to get something on a MARTA bus or a MARTA, what do you call it? Like where people wait for the MARTA train or the MARTA bus. I wanted to get some advertising there, but this right here is constant advertising. It's not going to be there for 3 months and then disappear. I'm going to always have this. I can park it. That's just like a billboard, but it's a movable, mobile billboard, and I can park it anywhere. So this has really been a good investment. And today, I've been wanting to actually tap into the college scene, and especially Spelman and Clark. And so this is my first time to actually be up here. Sorry if I'm like looking around because I'm looking at people walking. But this is my first time trying to not get a ticket. Excuse me. I guess that's just a groundskeeper. Okay. I wanted to say that it has been a really good investment. My husband and I, we went back and forth on getting this vehicle. And I'm like, I'm going to get it. He was like, nah, it's too much money. It's too much money. You could take that and do such and such. No, this is what I wanted to do, and it's working. So I'm just proud that I made a decision and I stuck to my guns. He didn't see my vision, but now he sees how it's working, because if I make money, that's ultimately gonna help him. So you sit back and chill. Sometimes women, we know what we're talking about, we know what we're doing. Golly, come on, give me a break. But I stuck to my guns and I did what I had to do, and now it is working, and he sees that. So I'm just really proud of myself. You have a few good cargo vans out there. You have the Ford Transit, which was a little bit too compact for me. Then you have the Mercedes, which is outside my budget. And then I settled with the Nissan NV. I then had to get pictures with high resolution, so I hired my girl Tanisha and a model. So I did her hand, we took pictures. After that, I had to submit the artwork, and me and the graphic designer, we went back and forth, and making changes until all that was done. So Wrap Stars in Kennesaw, they did the wrapping, and it took them around about a day. I dropped my car off and then picked it up in the evening. So they did a good job, so I'm very pleased with it. So this is what the van looks like, fresh off the press. I pulled it off a lot, pulled it over, and just wanted to pan. I still, at this point, I wanted the wrapping done, but I still wanted to do some extra stuff on the van, and I'll show you that in the next video.